friends, in this video of series for VBA for beginners, till now 14 videos are completed with the example references 14, and now this is going to be your example number 15. So with the help of ChatGPT, I created 25 simple examples which can be understood by all the beginners of VBA learner. Now this is going to be the 15th one. Before this 14th one, I will just tell you autofill numbers has been explained. If you have not seen that video, please go and check that video and come back to this particular video. Bold a cell. Okay, that means any letter which is any text available in a particular Excel cell or range of cell can be bold. Right now, bold cell A1 font bold is there. Okay, so instead of this A1, I want to change it to some letter saying AB1. Okay, what is AB1? We will see this. Right, and this is going to be, as I told you, I just want to make my comment line about this. So I have to start the comment line with this single quote. I am typing this example 15 VBA for beginners. Right? Okay. But this will be executed in the active worksheet of this Excel. So now this is sheet 1 is active. I don't want that action to happen on sheet 1. I want this action to happen on the sheet number 3. So where is this AB? If you go to this column, now here we have column AB. So AB1, whatever text is there, it is going to make bold. So I like to type my name as Prabhakar. Right? I entered this. Now this is actually without bold. So bold means you have to just go to home here and then font group. You have this bold icon is there, italic icon is there, and this underline icon is there, and Calibri font name, you can just go and select it, whatever name you want to select it. And then you can just change the size directly by typing the number here or selecting the number like this. And then this is increasing the size step by step and decreasing the step by size of the font step by step. You can create the border with all this left, right, no border. So many things are there here, and then fill the background color here. And then this is the font color. All this group of icons are under this group name is font. Okay. So when we say this, go to font group, then this is the font group. If I'm telling you to go to number group, come and then check this number group. Now in this font group, we are saying this is bold. So my letter now, this in AB1 is Prabhakar, which is not bold. So this is like true and false. So bold is not true now. Okay, it is not highlighted. Are you able to see this? When I just move my cursor, it is just slightly, that shader is coming now. So if I press only, it will become true. So bold is now true. So it has become now bold. So I will just correct my spelling here, Prabhakar. Okay. So now this particular area, when I click on this AB1, again, if you just see here, B earlier it was not highlighted like this. This box was not there. So now when I press this, that box around this B is gone. That means bold equal to false. Okay. So this is what is going to happen by this macro bold cell. And these are the lines. Okay, just I'm running this and then we are just going to check this. Run it and come and check here. Now it has become bold. Are you able to see this now? Okay. So because it is appearing here as true, it is now coming here as this one. So what I'll do, I'll copy this macro and then I'll just type it here in the bottom next, unbold. Unbold, and we have to write it to, instead of true, it should be false. All the other things are same. So now this particular program, I'm going to run it now. So it has just selected this unbold. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this small video on this 15th example for VBA for beginners. So if you have already subscribed to my channel DPAB, thank you very much. But if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon button, so that you will get all the notification of my new videos with which you can just store it in a place and then go through the video at your convenient time. Thank you. Take care. Bye.